Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Lexar ARES DDR5-7200 32GB kit. These memory modules are rated to run at DDR5-7200 speeds with a low cast latency of 34-42-42, operating on a voltage of 1.4 volts. It supports all of the major RGB ecosystems out there and uses SK Hynix chips, which are meant to overclock really well. So let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Lexar ARES DDR5-7200 32GB kit. It supports all the major RGB ecosystems. Let's take a look inside the box. Okay. It's one memory module and another one. Alright, here we have the memory modules. And it comes with a nice matte black aluminum heatsink with some nice Lexar branding, DDR5, and you got the ARES logo right there. The RGB is along this top strip right here. Looks very nice, and yes, it's rated to run at DDR5-7200 with a low cast latency of 34-42-42, operating on a 1.4 voltage. It uses the SK Hynix memory chips, which are known to overclock really well, so it'll be interesting to see how far we could take these in our tests. These memory modules are XMP ready and they should work on all Z780 motherboards. They're also compatible with all the major RGB ecosystems out there, so it should have some really good lighting effects. We'll be using a Z780 motherboard along with a Core i9-14900K and a Radeon RX 7900 XTX. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the Lexar ARES DDR5-7200 32GB kit. The Lexar ARES RGB DDR5-7200 memory kits features some really nice black heat spreaders with a matte finish. It's different from what I'm used to, as most memory kits come with a shiny smooth aluminum heat spreader. That said, it seems to be doing an adequate job of cooling the RAM, with full load temperatures reaching a high of only 57 degrees Celsius. With memory settings on auto and XMP3 enabled, the memory kits produce excellent scores in all of our benchmarks. During the ASRock memory test, we got a memory read speed of 107,920 megabytes per second, a write speed of 92,127 megabytes per second, and a copy speed of 97,319 megabytes per second. Utilizing SK Hynix memory ICs, the overclocking ability of these memory kits did not disappoint either. I was able to overclock these memory kits to a staggering DDR5-7800. Lexar has yet again delivered an excellent product that will satisfy enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone who wants fast DDR5 RAM, great RGB lighting, good performance, and excellent overclocking ability. If you're one of those users mentioned above, then the Lexar ARES RGB DDR5-7200 32GB kit is the answer that you're looking for. Go get them now. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Lexar ARES DDR5-7200 32GB kit. It offers amazing performance with RGB and overclocks really well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy these via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.